Hi Cody, this is Michaela. Thanks so much for taking my call the other day. As promised, here's a quick 5-minute video just going to showcase how to get some more leads and traffic through your website, as well as go over how to increase your overall performance on the internet as a whole. So having some background in digital marketing, I can tell you that there are 3 main things that Google looks for when pushing somebody up that Google platform. First of all, we'll start with content. Content is huge with Google. This is the #1 thing that is going to organically move you up that ladder. Let's look at your website, for example. So content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your web page. And I do see you have some here and a little bit more down here. Honestly, your content looks pretty good. However, one thing I'm going to suggest is that for all of your services that you offer, rug cleaning, upholstery and drapes, carpet cleaning, professional cleaning services, those need to all be on their own separate page. And I'll tell you why. Let me see. Okay, so this all just scrolls. When it comes to Google, they only find one heading tag per page. So a heading tag is going to be any of these headings that you have for all of your different services. It's only finding one tag per page. So that's going to be hard to find you for multiple services when people are doing a Google search. So what I recommend is having a separate page for all of your additional services, having a carpet cleaning page, a tile and grout page, an upholstery cleaning page. And in those pages, have between 500 and 750 words per page. And in there, we can put keywords that we want you to rank for within each category. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If I go here, this is just giving me a basic overview of how you're currently doing on the internet today. I show about 21 people come to your website, which isn't a bad conversion rate, but these numbers are going to be the big deciding factor about whether you're on page 1 or not. When I talk about these, this is referring mostly to citations, and this is referring mostly to referring domains or backlinks. Let me show you here. When I do a basic Google search for carpet cleaning Houston, Texas, this map shows up. And I'm sure you have a Google My Business, but these top 3 are going to get the most business just based on visibility alone. When someone does a search, they don't then want to have to dig through a bunch of people. They want to know where the best is, and those are usually at the top, right? So being at the top has a huge advantage. I do have the ability to see how many your top competition has, being able to rank you higher than them. But to do this, we'll need citations. A citation is anywhere that your business name, location, and phone number show up on an online directory. So think Yelp and Yellow Pages like that. You did have a pretty good start. You're at 18. This obviously could be driven up higher. Google loves both of these numbers to be as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible, and the closer to 30 you get, the more stability you have within that Google platform, meaning you're not going to be easily outranked or shuffled around like you kind of probably are now. This DR is directly affected by referring domains. Backlinks are important as always, but the referring domains, having strong, trusted referring domains is important. So think Angie's List and Home Advisor for things like that. Good trusted sites are going to drive this number up. I'm going to go over your keywords here that you're currently ranking for. And currently you're ranking #1 for your business name, which is great. But beyond that, you're on page 2. So you're not ranking unless somebody specifically types in Steam Commander. You're not showing up on page 1 at all. So they're not finding you. So you're missing out on a bunch of leads. These are all good keywords to rank for. But again, they have to be present within the text on your website. And by not having multiple pages, it's making it hard for different people doing searches to find your business. So those are my recommendations for you to put 1,500 words on your home page alone, making separate service pages for a separate page for each service you offer, and having anywhere between 500 to 700 words, as well as the keywords you'd like to rank for on those in that text. Getting good quality keywords, good quality backlinks. That's going to drive this number up in referring domains, and more citations here, driving both of these as high as we can get it, while keeping them in a 1-to-1 ratio as possible to get that stability. Well, Cody, I hope this was good information for you. If it's not too much trouble, please send me a quick email. Let me know what you thought about this information. And if I have any questions I could answer for you, I could address those as well. I hope you have a good day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.